What's good with it, y'all? Back to back bangers I got y'all, man. What up with y'all, man? Well, in today's video we're going to be talking about updates on the app called Tag and how to make money on Tag. I made a few videos about this dating app called Tag and how you can make money. You can check them out in the descriptions or my stuff like that. But this is an update because it did change a little bit on the app, because I went back on the app to see what's new, and they did change on the requirements on how to really make money. So I thought I'll share and make a video of it. So basically on Tag, in my previous video, I think it was like I was saying like the you needed like 60,000 or something like that diamonds. 60,000 if I'm not mistaken, diamond. Well, this time they updated to you need 80,000 diamonds, so it boosted up 20,000 more. In case you guys are not wondering what I'm talking about, so basically people send you like gifts on the app. So they got like golds and diamonds. They send you stuff on the app. You can actually get some of the gifts for free if you play like the I want to say like if you play the game on there and they give you like some free gold or something like that on the app. So a lot of people, they stream on, like if you go on like the app, there's a lot of people streaming, and majority of there's a lot of females that get all the diamonds. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. The females is winning on the app. Y'all, they getting all the diamonds on there. There's a couple guys that's getting diamonds, but when I go on there, it's the females getting love. So you got to think about how much money they're making off streaming. You know, the power of streaming in 2022 is crazy, because within TikTok to Instagram to now Tag to YouTube, it's everybody streaming now. So I think maybe even the pandemic made everybody just start up their business or start up YouTube channel if you're watching me on YouTube. So a lot of everything has become the streaming era, right? So so I just wanted to tell y'all, like, there's some money you can really make some money off just being on app like Tag, you know what I mean? So I don't know, for me, like when I first got on there I didn't understand it, but after a while I started seeing like, wow, some of them girls on there be having like a million diamonds on there. So they really probably make a living off streaming. So, you know what I mean, you got to think like you could pretty much network with me. I use it for like networking. I network for my music, or I network for like, this YouTube channel, stuff like that. So I haven't really been on there like networking, streaming on Tag like fully, because I'm always on YouTube, right? So but I have been on there and I've seen like people really make a lot of money off that. So I figured like I'll share that with y'all and give y'all like updates on the Tag app. So I guess you do need more diamonds, so it raised up from 60,000 to 80,000 diamonds. So but a lot of people, some people I heard that they get that in a day or two, just being on there 24 hours streaming. So it's definitely possible. So if you guys like this type of video, you like this type of content, you want to learn how to make money online and entrepreneur, stuff like that, consider subscribing right now. Hit that like button, drop comments if you are on Tag right now. So I'll catch you on my next one. Peace.